Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we'll start with the most important thing you have to do when you get into a job. Get a salary account. Why really a salary account? Because it comes with quite a few perks. You usually get a zero minimum balance account, and most of the services like IMPS, RTGS are like at zero cost or at a very minimum cost. So today we'll be talking about IDFC salary account, that is a corporate salary account. And why so? Because it offers like a very good or a great app experience, and the interest rates are like one of the best in the market. So if you're keeping a like monthly average balance of up to 5 lakh rupees, you'll be getting 3% per annum interest. And if the amount is like between 5 to 10 crores, the interest rate is 7%. So how this works is that if you have 9 lakhs in your account, the first 5 lakhs will fetch you 3%, and the rest 4 lakhs that is in this bracket will fetch you 7%. So this is in brackets similar to how your interest, like basically taxation happens, right? So there are different brackets. The 10 to 25 CR bracket is 6% and so on, but I think these are the major brackets. 7% in savings account is a good thing, right? Now let's look at the variants you have when you initially start your corporate salary account. So you have Classic Plus and Platinum Plus. This comes with their own Visa Classic debit card and Visa Platinum debit card. So your net salary credit for Classic Plus should be like somewhere between 15K to 50K. Means it should be at least 15K. And if it's anywhere above 50,000, then you are eligible for Platinum Plus account. So the average monthly balance for these accounts is zero. So if your salary is crediting every month, then you're like liable to keep zero balance in these accounts. But if the scenario is that like your monthly salary credit hasn't been happening, then you need to keep a minimum like monthly balance, that is the average monthly balance of rupees 10,000 for Classic Plus or rupees 25,000 for Platinum Plus. This starts like if your salary has been credited for the last 3 months, then you have to maintain this minimum balance, or else you'll have to pay some fees every month. Now, looking at banking benefits, there's a monthly interest credit. So the interest, even though it's per annum, but you'll get the interest amount for each month. So most of the banks have this on a quarterly level where you get interest for the quarter from Jan to March together, and then like later on and so on. But here, for like the interest credit for January month will come on 1st February, then for February month will come on 1st March and so on. So that is one good thing, that you're getting interest monthly. Then zero fee banking on all salary account services. So things like IMPS, like RTGS, NEFT, everything that is zero banking fee. So you won't have to pay any fee for that. Usually, other banks like BOB or some other banks, you usually see a fee for this transactions, but it's not so for IDFC Bank. Then there are insurance benefits, personal accident debt cover, there's air accident insurance cover, lost card liability, purchase protection. There are travel benefits, which we'll talk about detail later as well. So trip cancellation benefits, roadside assistance, domestic airport lounge access, travel insurance cover. Then there are lifestyle benefits as well. In case of the classic one, it's Amazon gift card worth rupees 250 plus Swiggy One Life that is quarterly renewed based on some condition. And like as far as I checked the conditions, that in the last 3 months you have to spend at least 5,000 rupees using the IDFC platform like IDFC debit card, UPI, or like bank transfers, things like that. And in the platinum one, you have Times Prime annual membership plus Swiggy One Lite quarterly renewed based on those conditions, and Amazon Prime membership quarterly renewed. Please read how to avail this and what are the conditions so that you get this. Also, yes, the domestic airport lounge access. So these debit cards, not credit cards, give you lounge access as well, and these are applicable in almost all lounges. I've tried this in 080 lounge in Bangalore as well. So with the classic variant, you get one lounge per quarter, and usually this is one plus one companion, and two lounge visits per quarter for the platinum version. Now let's look at some things like, let's first look at travel benefits. So the eligibility is that okay. So trip cancellation. Now say you have booked a hotel or flight and you have to cancel it 24 hours prior to the actual departure. Then IDFC covers that as well. So if you made the payment via IDFC First Bank debit card, UPI or net banking, then you can actually like cover that amount. And That is to a limit of, let's look at the trip cancellation has a limit of 50,000 for the platinum version, 25,000 for the classic version. So you can do that. And there are some exclusions to this that, okay, failure to start a journey due to rejection of visa. So for international travels, that is valid. And if the trip is cancelled due to a calamity not declared by appropriate government authority. So yeah, usually all the valid cases are covered here. And one important thing is that you have to report this at least 24 hours prior to departure. Then there's travel insurance. You can read all about it here, and like coverage for lost baggage, missed flights, all of that. And the amounts are good as well. Like if you look back here, then uh, there is trip cancellation benefit of 25 and 50K, and yeah, all of roadside assistance as well. So basically, what roadside assistance that if your car is like there's some problem with your car, it's not working, the engine is down, then they'll come with the vehicle to help you out. So it will be chargeable. All the services will be chargeable, but at least they'll come free of cost to your location and help you with stuff. And whatever help they provide would be chargeable, but will have at least someone to help you via given dedicated helpline. So yeah, the best things about the IDFC account is that I've been using the same account for a couple of years, and the app is brilliant. Usually, the experience with banking apps is that they suck. So the problem is that they are not good. They're laggy. The interface is not very easy. They do not. They're broken with updates and all of that. But IDFC is pretty good with that regard. The interest rates are good. The you usually get an RM, and they are dedicated RMs. They help you a lot. They're always available for a call. And all in all, I've had a great experience. I've never had to visit the branch for the last couple of years. So, well, I also got upgraded to the wealth account. So, if you want to understand all the benefits and eligibility for that, hit me up in the comment section. I'll make a video about it. Please share this with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Thank you for watching.